Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fluent English Power. Hi, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Riya. And I'm Rahul. We're so happy to be with you again today. It's always nice to connect with you all. Today, we're talking about something simple and useful for everyone's daily routine. Yes, I really enjoy this topic. It's full of everyday English words. Before we begin, if you enjoy learning with us, please support the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with others, and give it a like. Your support really helps us grow. Now, for today's video, we're doing something interesting. We're going to hear about the daily life of someone named Riya, not me, but a different Riya. She will describe what her day looks like, from morning to night. Sounds fun? Once we listen to her story, Rahul and I will talk more about the English she used. We'll help you understand it better and share some simple tips. It will feel like a natural, friendly conversation. So let's begin and listen to Riya's daily routine. My daily routine. Hello, everyone. My name is Riya. Today I want to tell you about my daily routine. I usually wake up around 6 in the morning. The first thing I do is stop my alarm. Then I stretch for a few minutes while still in bed. After that, I get up and go to the bathroom to take a shower. When I finish showering, I dry my body and get dressed. Most days, I wear clothes that feel comfortable. Then I go to the kitchen and prepare my breakfast. I usually eat oatmeal with fruit and drink a cup of tea. While eating, I check the news on my phone. After breakfast, I clean the dishes and tidy the kitchen. Then I brush my teeth and do a little makeup. At around 7:30 in the morning, I leave home and go to work. I usually travel by bus, and it takes about 30 minutes. I reach my office by 8 o'clock and start my work right away. In the morning, I use my computer and attend meetings. At noon, I have lunch with my coworkers in the cafeteria. We talk and relax during that break. After lunch, I go back to my work and continue until 5 o'clock. When work is over, I return home by bus. If the weather is nice, I sometimes walk back. When I reach home, I feel tired and relax on the sofa. Sometimes a friend visits and we talk or watch something. Other times, I cook my dinner at home. I eat dinner around 7:30 in the evening. After that, I clean the dishes again. Then I read a book or watch something on television. Before going to sleep, I brush my teeth and get ready for bed. I usually go to bed between 10 and 10:30 at night. That's what a normal day looks like for me. Morning routine. That was a full day for Riya. Yes, she keeps busy. I liked how she started with "Hello, everyone. My name is Riya. Today I want to tell you about my daily routine." It's a clear and friendly way to begin. Exactly. Then she said, I usually wake up around 6 in the morning. The phrase wake up is used when we open our eyes in the morning. The word around means it's not exact, just close to that time. Then she said, the first thing I do is stop my alarm. Yes, many of us start our day that way. Stopping the alarm means making it quiet. And then she said, I stretch for a few minutes while still in bed. Stretching helps the body feel awake and ready. After that, she gets out of bed. Waking up and getting out of bed are different actions. One is opening your eyes. The other is standing up. Yes. Then she goes to the bathroom and takes a shower. We often use take a shower when we talk about washing in the morning. After the shower, she said, I dry my body and get dressed. Drying means using a towel to remove water. Getting dressed means putting on clothes for the day. Breakfast. She also said, I usually choose comfortable clothes for the day. That's a smart way to begin the morning. Yes, feeling comfortable is important. The word choose means to decide what to wear, and comfortable means it feels nice on your body. Then she said, I go downstairs to the kitchen and make breakfast. Go downstairs means going from a higher floor to a lower one, like from the bedroom to the kitchen. And make breakfast means preparing food in the morning. She said, I usually have a bowl of oatmeal with fruit and a cup of tea. That sounds like a healthy choice. Here, have means to eat or drink something. Oatmeal is a warm dish made with grains. Then she said, while I eat breakfast, I often read the news on my phone. The word while means two actions are happening at the same time, eating and reading. And we say on my phone when using a device for reading or checking things. After breakfast, after finishing her meal, she said, I wash the dishes and tidy up the kitchen. These are daily home tasks. Wash the dishes means cleaning plates, cups, and spoons. Tidy up means to make the kitchen neat and clean again. It's a good way to start the day fresh. Then she said, I brush my teeth and put on a little makeup. Brush my teeth is part of keeping your mouth clean. And put on makeup means using a few products to get ready for the day. Then she added, around 7:30, I leave the house to go to work. Leave the house means stepping outside to begin the day. And go to work tells us the reason she's going out. She explained, I usually take the bus, which takes about 30 minutes. Take the bus means using public transport to travel. The phrase takes about 30 minutes means the travel time is half an hour. We often say takes when talking about how long something continues. Then she said, I arrive at work at 8 and start working immediately. Arrive at work means she reaches her office. And start working immediately means she begins her job right away without waiting. She sounds like someone who follows a schedule well. Lunch. Riya says, I work on my computer and attend meetings throughout the morning. Here, work on my computer means she uses it to complete her job. And attend meetings means she joins discussions with her team. The phrase throughout the morning tells us these activities happen during the whole morning time. Next, she says, around 12, I have lunch with my colleagues in the cafeteria. Have lunch means to eat her midday meal. Colleagues are the people she works with. A cafeteria is a place at her office where food is available. She adds, we usually chat and relax during our lunch break. Chat means talking in a light and friendly way. Relax means to feel calm and take a break. And a lunch break is the short time when people pause, work to eat, and rest. She continues, after lunch, I go back to work and continue my tasks until 5. Go back to work means she returns to her job. And continue my tasks means she keeps doing her responsibilities. Tasks means the work she needs to finish. After work, she shares, when I finish work, I go back home by bus. Finish work means her job for the day is done. Go back home means she returns to her house. She also mentions, sometimes if the weather is nice, I walk home. This tells us that when the day is good, she prefers walking instead of using the bus. Walk home means she goes on foot. She says, when I get home, I usually feel tired, so I relax on the sofa for a while. Get home means she reaches her house. Feel tired means she has low energy. Relax on the sofa means she rests by sitting or lying down. For a while means for a short time. Social time. She continues. Sometimes my friend comes over and we talk or watch a movie. Comes over means her friend visits her house. They talk or watch a movie, which are fun ways to spend time together. Other times she says, I cook dinner for myself. This means she prepares her evening meal only for her. She adds, I like to eat dinner around 7:30. Eat dinner means to have the evening meal, and around means the time is not exact. After dinner, she explains, after dinner I usually wash the dishes again. This means she cleans the used plates and cups. Then she says, I might read a book or watch some television. The word might shows that she is not sure what she will do. She could do one thing or the other. Before bed, I always brush my teeth again and get ready for bed. Brush my teeth again means she cleans them before sleeping. Get ready for bed means doing things like changing clothes and turning off the lights. Going to bed. Finally, she says, I usually go to bed around 10 or 10:30. Go to bed means to sleep. She shares her bedtime range between 10 and 10:30. She finishes by saying, that's pretty much my daily routine. The phrase pretty much means almost everything. That gives us a full view of how her day goes from start to end. Thank you so much for watching. Now it's your turn. Try talking about your own daily routine in English. Write one thing you do every day in the comments. I'd love to read it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Fluent English Power for more easy and useful English videos. I'll see you in the next lesson. Keep practicing and stay confident. Bye for now.